How to turn off autoplay video in Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off autoplay video in your Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Facebook app. Then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner here. And then here scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, tap on settings. Now in settings, tap on profile settings. And here scroll down. And here you have to open media and contacts, so tap it. And here you will see autoplay. Open it. And here you will get the option to choose when all videos should autoplay on mobile data and Wi-Fi connections, or on Wi-Fi connections only, or never autoplay videos. So select the feature you want, and so this is how you can turn off video autoplay in your Facebook app. Thanks for watching.